Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shehzad. Friends, today we are going to make a greeting card for Valentine's Day or someone that you love. For that we need some strips for the heart shape that we are using red and white 150 mm two strips. We have make the joint with the glue, and the waves you can see in the heart. We need the different size of strips. This orange strip we need 50, green one we need 65, the pink one we need 75, blue one we need 90 mm, and the yellow one we need 80 mm, and the flower we need 3 strips of 75 and one strip the green one 150 mm, and heart shape to draw the heart in on a card, pencil for drawing, cooling tool, glue, and round die of 7 mm and cutter. So let's get started friends to make the round circle for the heart. Just make it that one we use for the outsiders, and the pink one I'm just showing for make the wave. You should make this style opposite side. You just have to make the wave that you can see opposite side. Petal of the flower, let me make that one also here and put 8 mm round dia for the circle. From one side we have to press and make the shape of petal, and here we have to make the circle or round shape or coil shape. We already make two. Before this one. So friends, we got the stuff, so let's get started for the next step. So friends, we have round shapes, circle shape or coil shape, waves, different color, flower, and I already draw the heart shape, you can see. So we just have to put the stuff on the heart and stick it. So let's get started friends. Step number 3.
ले लो बा